Welcome to Neighbors Rig 805, a 3,000 horsepower minimum area self-elevating or mace rig. Rig 805 is lightweight and was designed for rapid rig up and rig down without external crane support. The compact modular system can save millions in platform construction costs. Rig 805 is equipped with a Loadmaster 152-foot vertical erecting mast rated at 1,500,000 pounds. The mast telescopes vertically with drawworks power. A 750-ton Canrig 1275 AC top drive hangs in the mast. It is capable of 51,400 foot-pounds of continuous torque at 120 RPM with 95,000 foot-pounds of breakout torque. The top drive can accommodate Canrig's rocket system and other drilling efficiency software. A 3,000 horsepower Continental IMSCO C3 drawworks has been installed on the rig. It has a maximum hoisting capacity of 1,500,000 pounds. The drawworks is controlled by Canrig's Drill Smart system, designed to provide greater control over weight on bit, rate of penetration, and differential pressure. Drill Smart also controls crown and floor saver devices, which provide fail-safe protection during drilling and tripping operations. Rig 805 is equipped with one 80-ton Sparrows EC1200 modular crane, complete with MyPeg electronic load monitoring system. The rig is designed for installation of a second 50-ton crane if required. Rig 805 is powered by 4 Caterpillar 3516B generators rated at 2,549 horsepower at 1,800 RPM with 5 SCR drive bays. Engines are equipped with equipment condition monitoring, which can remotely monitor and report real-time fuel consumption and other important engine parameters. These generators utilize the Woodward EasyGen Auto Start and Load Management System, which has the ability to switch into drop control and maintain power stability if communication between modules is lost or damaged. The SCR drive system includes a fully enclosed climate-controlled driller's workstation. Rig 805 has a box-on-box substructure with a 53-foot floor height and 47-foot clear height below the rotary beams. The rotary capacity is 1,500,000 pounds with a setback of 800,000 pounds and a 49.5-inch independently driven rotary table. The substructure is designed to accommodate primary mud processing, complete blowout prevention and well control systems, and a built-in rig moving system. The transverse and longitudinal rig skidding system is designed to skid the drilling module with mast erect, pipe racked in setback, mud in the primary process tank, and all integrated third-party services, so there is virtually no rig up or rig down time when moving to the next well. The mud system on Rig 805 is composed of 3 Continental IMSCO FC1600 mud pumps, rated to 1,600 horsepower and 7,500 psi working pressure with mud pump synchronization. The mud system is designed for 3,200 barrels of mud with a maximum mud weight of 18 pounds per gallon. The mud pits are fully closed to avoid contamination due to rainwater. A total of 1,200 barrels of active and processed mud is located in the substructure. The reserve tanks have hemispherical round bottoms, eliminating all dead spaces for perfect agitation and uniform fluid suspension. The rig is equipped with a dust-free mixing system, along with a big bag hopper located on the reserve mix tank, providing multiple mixing options. A high-pressure mud pump manifold with dual high-pressure mud lines coupled with a dual standpipe manifold allows for redundancy within the system, as well as mud pump isolation. The mud processing system is comprised of a mud process tank with 3 Derrick dual pool 618 shakers with 3-in-1 mud cleaner, 2 flowline primers, degasser, trip tank, and mud buster. Space is available to install 2 client-supplied centrifuges. Rig 805 is also equipped with the latest pipe handling equipment to minimize crew exposure to tubulars, a leading cause of injury. These include a TM120 automated floor wrench and a Phantom rotating mouse hole. Mace Rig 805 is equipped with 3 2,000 cubic foot bulk tanks for barite and 3 2,000 cubic foot bulk tanks for cement. The tanks are equipped with individual load cells and loading stations capable of taking on supplies from either side of the platform. The rig has additional capacity for 500 barrels of fuel, 1,000 barrels of drill water, and 500 barrels of potable water. Rig 805 comes with modular 100-man accommodations, complete with 5 offices, sick bay, laundry, kitchen, junior and senior mess halls, and entertainment TV room. All rooms are designed with private bathrooms and showers. The accommodations have a dedicated emergency generator and are complete with all SOLAS and IMO required safety equipment, 2 65-man lifeboats, and 1 dedicated rescue boat. A 60-foot by 60-foot aluminum helideck built per Cap 437 is located on top of the crew accommodations. Well control is maintained by one 13 5/8 inch by 10,000 psi hydral annular, 2 13 5/8 inch by 15,000 psi Cameron double ram preventers, 1 20 3/4 inch by 2,000 psi Schaffer spherical, and 1 20 3/4 inch by 3,000 psi Cameron double ram preventer. Rig 805 is equipped with a 100-ton dual-direction BOP hoist system. This allows continuous access to the BOPs from either end of the substructure and can bring the complete BOP stack fully outside the substructure for safe handling. Rig 805 is a state-of-the-art offshore platform drilling rig. It is ideal for batch drilling or for any drilling application where efficiency and economy are paramount. Neighbors Rig 805, a purpose-built rig designed to meet customer requirements now and in the future.